Do you have a nasally voice? If so, what you need to do is to bring more awareness to the front of your tongue. If the front of your tongue is up too much for too long, that's the main part, it's up for too long, it will cause more of a nasal sound. What you want to do is to get the front of your tongue on consonants. So for example, n, the letter N, na. You want it to do just quickly go up like this, and then to come back down at the front very quickly into the vowel sound. So na. Get the tip of your tongue to come down. The best place to put it on your vowels is behind your lower teeth. So make your consonants quick, still pronounce them, and then quickly get your tongue down, let the sound come through on your vowels, and that will reduce nasality.